Subject EVS Standard First. Hello students, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn one interesting lesson, that is seasons. So today we are going to learn about seasons. Introduction. Seasons bring changes. Every season has its own importance and each season brings changes in our life in matter of food and clothing. Change is part of our life. There are 5 seasons of our country. They are rainy season, summer season, winter season, spring season and autumn season. So first we are going to see about spring season. During the spring, the days become warm. Spring is the queen of seasons. It comes after the winter season. The air is warm. Spring begins in the month of February. It ends in April. It is the time when new leaves are seen on trees, flowers bloom, bees buzz, and butterflies flutter. Sometimes it rains during the spring. This helps the pretty flowers to grow. Next, we will see about autumn season. In autumn, the days become cooler. It begins from September. Autumn is the season after summer, when leaves fall from trees. Autumn is the third season of the year, coming after summer and before winter. With the dropping of leaves from the trees as they go into a winter rest, which is why it's also called fall. Next, rainy season. The weather is very pleasant in the rainy season. There are dark clouds and we are blessed with showers of rain. People wear raincoats, gumboots and use umbrellas during this season. Farmers wait for this season. They depend on the rainy season. Peacocks welcome rainy season by dancing. The rainwater is used by us throughout the year. There is thunder and lightning. We can also see a rainbow in the sky. Next, summer season. During summer season, the sun shines very brightly. The days are long and nights are short. We feel very hot during the summer season. We wear loose light color cotton clothes. We drink cold drinks and sharbats in this season. We eat more ice creams in summer season. We also use dark glasses, caps to protect from sunlight. Now next, winter season. During winter season, we feel cool. The days are short and nights are long. In some places, there is snowfall during winter season. We wear woolen clothes in this season. People use shawl and woolen cap to cover themselves. In winter season, we drink hot drinks like tea, coffee, etc. People sit near the fire to get heat. So, students, have you all understood about seasons? Okay, so now I will ask you few questions. In which season you can see the rainbow in the sky? Yes, in the rainy season we can see rainbow in the sky. Which are the three main seasons? Yes, summer season, winter season, rainy season are the three main seasons. Next, in which season you drink more cold drinks? Yes, in summer season we drink more cold drinks. Now, next, choose the correct answer from the given option. First one. So students, here you have to choose the correct answer from the given option. So first one is, we feel very hot. We drink more cold drinks and eat more ice cream. So students, when we feel very hot and we drink more cold drinks and ice creams, in which season? Yes, in summer season. So here I have given you few options. Winter season, spring season and summer season. So in which season you feel very hot and you drink more cold drinks and ice creams? In summer season. So answer is summer season. Then next, it begins in March and the days are warm. So students, which season begins in March and the days are warm? In which season? See the option: autumn season, spring season and rainy season. Yes, in spring season. So, spring season begins in March and the days are warm. Next, third one, it is very cold. So, we wear woolen clothes. So, students, see the option: winter season, rainy season and summer season. So, when you feel very cold, so you wear woolen clothes in which season? Yes, in winter season. In winter season, you feel very cold, so you wear woolen clothes. Okay, have you all understood? Okay, very good. So now, last is your homework. Homework is, which is your favorite season? Write few lines about it. So now students, your homework is, you have to write which is your favorite season. So you have to write that which is your favorite season and you have to write few lines about it, like why you like that season. If you like summer season, so you have to write why you like summer season. Maybe because of summer vacation or maybe some other reason. So in this way you have to write your favorite season and you have to write few lines about it. Okay. Thank you, students.